How to enable picture-in-picture mode on YouTube on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can enable picture-in-picture mode on Android device and YouTube. Well, whether on Android or iOS, the official way to get your picture-in-picture mode is to get the premium. So you can go ahead on the application and get or purchase the YouTube premium. Now, if you don't want to do so, the other way around if you are on an Android device is by using your inbuilt feature. Now, this might only be available on the latest Android phones or the latest versions. So what you can do is you can open up YouTube. Right now I'm just opening this Play Store here. So you want to tap and hold and you can head into this background apps option, as you can see here. Now here on the background apps option, you want to tap and hold on YouTube once you open it, and you can see it says drop here for pop-up preview. If you take it upside, then you can use YouTube on the upper screen and you can use other app on the lower screen, or if you drag it downwards you can use YouTube in the lower screen and use other apps on upper screen. But if you just want a picture-in-picture mode, then on the middle you want to take it on the middle of your screen and then tap on drop here for pop-up preview. You want to drop it there, and now this time once you open a video you'll be able to use it. Now remember, you can resize it and replace it on your screen as well wherever you want, and you can use YouTube here while using other apps here. So this is the way that you can enable the picture-in-picture mode on Android device for YouTube or any other apps as well. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.